Good morning. Welcome to a new session of our video class. In this class, I will discuss about the renewable energies and renewable energy sources. Renewable energies and renewable energy sources. Renewable energy sources, they are projected to account for more than half of global electricity production by 2035. This target is a very ambitious target, very interesting target as far as the countries across the globe is concerned. And at the same time, this is it seems it is a very easy task to the present to technologies and scientific researches, because renewable energy sources and extraction of energy from the renewable energy sources are accelerating with a great speed. Therefore, by 2035, certainly more than global electricity production will be achieved from the renewable energy sources. And the indigenous nature of clean sources gives local economies an advantage and brings meaning to the term energy independence. Now the thing is, the renewable energy by birth, by its nature, is a clean source of energy, and it certainly gives a great advantage for the local demands, for the local needs, and this will give the true meaning for energy independence. This term energy independence is an excellent term as far as the present discussion is concerned, because renewable energy sources are the independent energy sources, are the nature energy sources, are natural energy sources, are the energy sources that are derived from the nature powers of the nature, which belongs to everyone. Therefore, it certainly gives the true meaning for the energy independence. It means that each and every individual, each and every community, each and every system, each and every country can able to operate with the renewable energy sources in order to harness the needy energy as far as their as far as their needs are concerned. That's why the term energy independence is very, very interesting, which is very suitable for only the renewable energy sources. Right. It is a superior form of energy. It is a great form of energy sources or energies. Renewable energy sources. They are derived, their sources are nothing but the basic parts of the nature, the basic parts of the nature of earth and its atmosphere. That's why, okay, they are very superior, very, very superior energy sources that are available very naturally to all, to all. Right. There are different forms of energy sources. We will discuss later on, but of course, this simple picture will show you, okay, more or less all kinds of renewable energy sources. Right. Just now I said that renewable energy sources are the energy sources that are occurred naturally in the nature of the atmosphere, in the nature of the earth. Or on the other hand, these sources are the constituents of the nature of the earth. Or these sources are the natural processes that will take place, okay, as far as the Earth's atmosphere and Earth is concerned. So therefore, they are by nature they are such a great, such an important, such a superior energy sources which are available for all, available for all. Okay, right. Now, first of all, we will discuss about why non-conventional means renewable or new energy sources are required. Why these new energy sources are required? Okay, non-conventional energy sources, or they are known as the non-conventional energy sources or renewable energy sources. Okay, and traditional energy sources. Why these energy sources are required for the human being? Right. There are two main reasons for the need for new and unconventional or non-conventional energy sources or renewable energy sources. There are two major reasons, demanding reasons. Okay, reasons with a great depth are there for the extraction of energies from, okay, what this one, renewable energy sources, which are also known as the non-conventional energy sources. The reasons are, one is significant depletion of conventional energy sources. Conventional energy sources are, okay, deflating with a rapid speed, okay, they are decreasing, the sources are decreasing with a great speed because of tremendous usage of what is one, the conventional energy sources. Second one, pollution caused by the conventional energy sources. Okay, not only the first one, second reason is also very important because the usage of conventional energy sources so creating a great pollution on the earth. They are polluting, okay, the cluster of the earth, the air, the water, and all systems of the earth, and it is causing so many dangerous hazards as far as the earth and its atmosphere is concerned. That's why depletion of conventional energy sources with a great speed and pollution caused by the conventional energy sources are the only two deep reasons due to which we are supposed to go for the non-conventional or so-called renewable new energy sources. We know that coal, natural gas, oil, okay, and of course it includes hydropower and nuclear power are the traditional energy sources or conventional energy sources. They are traditional energy sources or conventional energy sources. Okay, available from the nature. They will available in the nature. Okay, right. Conventional energy sources or traditional energy sources are coal, natural gas, oil, and hydropower. These sources are, okay, extracting from years back. Okay, from the old age to the present one also. These sources are used to in order to extract the energies, and because of the rapid increase of the population on this planet, these sources are also, okay, utilizing with a great speed. Now what happened? We are extracting and consuming fuels through various methods and various scientific equipment. Conventional fuels will not meet the needs of the growing population. Now the present junction of the growth of population, growth of different countries shows that the conventional energy sources may not, they are not in a position to meet the needs. Okay, and also they are not in a position to meet the needs of the, okay, people in future. In addition to this one, human beings are, okay, using fuels extensively. This is also one of the very bad thing because we are using the fuels very extensively. Excess fuel consumption is also taking place. Okay, right. Waste of energy in various forms is a curse to today's society. Okay. At the same time, not only using excess power, excess fuels and consumption extensively, but also waste of power or waste of these energy sources are taking place, which is a great curse to the human being. If the production of the coal, gas and oil declines, if it decreases, there is a serious risk that they will not be available. Actually, the present stage also shows the same thing. These sources are seriously declined, and the present estimation shows that if we use these sources, okay, at the present rate, they will available only up to 50 or 100 years. Okay, after 100 years, so these sources are totally declined, totally disappear. That is one of the challenge or one of the what is one thing that is appeared before us as far as the future energies are concerned. The problem of air pollution claiming the yes today is exaggerated. Okay, air pollution by the usage of what this one this conventional energy sources is in a very dangerous condition, in the dangerous levels. Okay, they are the main cause for the greenhouse effect and global warming. The greenhouse effect, the global warming, okay, are due to the main cause of what is one the pollution made by the conventional energy sources. Ozone depletion is one of the major threat for the life, which also due to the conventional energy sources. Okay, ozone depletion is also due to the what is one, okay, the usage of conventional energy sources so in a great manner. Right. Air pollution, water pollution, earth pollution are the serious effects of the use of what this one conventional energy sources. That's they are not eco-friendly. Conventional energy sources are not eco-friendly. They are causing environmental degradation. They are causing very harm to the environmental processes, very natural process regarding to the climate and atmosphere. Both these things, atmosphere as per the climate, are seriously disturbed by what is one the usage of the conventional energy sources. Alternatives for human survival must be explored. Therefore, because of all these reasons, we need the what is on the alternative energy sources. Conventional fuels may not meet the requirements. Occasionally, there is a serious crisis also. At present, we are in the crisis of what is on the conventional energy sources. Energy sources are not permanent. These energy sources are not permanent. Okay, right. Wood, ground coal, okay, water sources, natural gas, petroleum. These are all we are needing. We need for cooking. All the unlimited. They are all limited sources, not unlimited. They are all limited sources. They are available in the what this one natural in the earth. Okay, right. When once we are extracting years together, what will happen? Their sources are declining with a great speed, and they are not in a position to replenish. That is the thing. They are still in the short supply. Already they are in the short supply. The shortage of these could increase further in future. The shortage of these fuels also increases in future also. What is not available even if hydro projects are built. Okay, that is also one of the problem. Coal, natural gas, which is needed to generate electricity, is dwindling. They are okay totally what is this one disappearing. Under these conditions, one must not resort to use the sun of endless energy. Therefore, okay, we have to see for the what is one the energy, the endless energy that is given by the sun. Actually, sun is the okay. Sun is the mother of all energy sources. It will give to both conventional energy source and non-conventional energy sources. Now the sun, okay, it will give the endless energy, and it is the prime, okay, prime non-conventional energy sources. They are the prime non-conventional or prime renewable energy source. The prime renewable energy source is sun. Right. Another thing, as far as what this one the conventional energy sources are concerned, they are available not equally across the globe. Okay, they are available at different places differently. That's why there is no equality of distribution of the conventional sources. Okay, as far as the conventional energy sources are concerned, one country is a rich country, the other so many other countries are not having such one. That's why they should depends upon what is on the countries which are having these sources. That's why they have to purchase, they have to brought that one with whatever the cost that is deployed by those countries. That's why there is no energy independence. There is no question of energy independence as far as the conventional energy sources are concerned. Right. Today we think of processing use solar energy for our needs. Right. Solar energy is inexhaustible energy bestowed by nature. By nature it is inexhaustible. If this energy can be stored and used, the future mankind will be prosperous. That's why the most prosperous energy source is what is this one? The solar energy, which is inexhaustible energy source that will appear before us. Solar heaters and solar cookers came into prominence due to the conversion of solar energy into fuel. Okay, these are all some examples only. Solar heaters and solar cookers, they are even coming to the doorsteps of normal persons or the normal people. Okay, for the conversation of what is on solar energy into fuel. Solar energy is cheap. Okay, therefore, if the product is a solar powered, if any product is solar powered, then prices are likely to be fall. That is also very important. Solar energy can be used to supply electricity to the source villages at no cost to the generating wells. If the electricity is produced cheaply, there will be a power deficit. If there will not be any power deficit. If the electricity is produced cheaply, there will not, you have to substitute, will not be a power deficit. Okay, that's why this solar energy seems to be one of the promising energy. Okay, this is a renewable energy source. Similarly, the other renewable energy sources are also significant properties to power the globe. Okay, non-conventional fuels reduces the environmental. What are these? Not only the solar energy, wind energy, ocean energy, right? Hydro energy, geothermal energy. These are the renewable energy sources. All these renewable energy sources are having significant properties, and they are now in a position to power the globe with the said two defects, that is non-pollution energy sources, and they never decline. They never decline. Right. This can be produced by the general public. Okay, this can be produced by the because some of the renewable sources like wind energy and solar energy is available for each and every individual. Okay, right. Non-financial burden. That's why they are not financially burdened. Fuel sources can be made with the necessary waste material. We can also what this one made the fuels by means of the waste material. That's why bioenergy. Therefore, bioenergy is one of the what is this one the renewable energy sources. Non-conventional energy sources, also known as new and renewable energy sources. Okay, new and renewable energy sources. This will not run out. They will not run out. It means that they never decline as long as the planet is consumed on a regular basis. As far as the nature is going on, as far as this planet is going on with its natural process, so they will be remain. They will remain along with the planet. Actually, they are the constituents or they are the main ingredients of the nature of the planet. That's why they will be there forever. Right. What are these energies? Solar energy, wind energy, biomass energy or biogas energy, geothermal energy, ocean energy, hydropower energy, hydrogen energy, and bioenergy, other bioenergy sources. Other bioenergy sources. Realizing that these are an outstanding answer to the today's and future's energy needs. Right. These energy sources are the outstanding answer for the today's requirement and also the future energy requirements. The nations of the world have already taken many steps in that direction, and we are making good progress in their respective colors and moving towards to bring them further into the doorsteps of the common man through new technology. New technologies are every day developing or every day in the process of research in order to bring all these renewable energy sources for the doorsteps of the common man, so that he is in a position to use them. Thus, new and non-conventional or renewable energy sources are only the future for the energy requirements. Okay, because of these reasons, so what is because of the nature of the non-conventional energy sources, and because of the superiority of because of the nature of the non-conventional, or what is one nature of the renewable energy sources, because of the superiority of the renewable energy sources, and because of the okay that the things for the conventional energy sources. So we are now in a position to going towards what is on renewable energy sources, but actually the renewable energy sources exploration was began at least to very at least to in the middle of what this one the 19th century, like 8 years, about 8 years back, the renewable energy sources are in the limelight, and people are extracting different forms of energy from the renewable energy sources. Right. Now the thing, renewable energy sources, wind energy, solar energy, hydro energy, bioenergy, geothermal energy, marine energy. Okay, marine energy means ocean energies. Now, what is renewable energy? What is renewable energy? The word itself says that it is reusable, renewable, inexhaustible. Okay, they are abundant. They will be what this one. They will be continuously available without any what this one without any declination. That's why what is renewable energy? It is the energy that has been derived from Earth's natural resources that are not finite. It means that they are infinite, and they are inexhaustible. Okay, they are not exhaustible, they are inexhaustible, such as wind, sunlight, and water. These energy sources actually, the word renewable energy source is not so suitable as far as the energy these sources are concerned, because sunlight, solar energy, wind energy, ocean energy, these are the main constituents of what is on the nature. Okay, they are the natural powers, they are the natural resources, they are the natural processes. Okay, these natural processes are the main form of the renewable energy sources. That's why renewable energy, I think that the word renewable energy is not exactly suitable, but that one. They are the very natural powers, they are the nature powers. Okay, natural powers and nature powers. Okay, renewable energies are the energies generated from the unlimited natural resources. They are available from unlimited natural resources. These sources are either available with no time limit or replenish more quickly than the rate at which they can consume. But this one, yes, they are the what is one the main constituent of this nature, the main powers of this nature, and they are the natural processes that are taking place in the atmosphere of the nature. Okay, what will happen, there is no limit, there is no time limit for that one, they never replenish. Okay, right, and they will be what will be, they will be quickly replenished. Okay, more replenished by the rate at which they will consume, by the rate at which consume. They are continuous. Suppose if you extract heat energy from the sun rays, solar sun rays, is it exhaustible? No, continuously that energy will come, so on, we can able to extract that one. That's why such a great nature is having this renewable energy, right? The natural source of renewable energy. What are the natural sources? Sources for the renewable energies are the sun. It is the natural source. Right. Sun is the source for all the planets as far as the solar family is concerned. Right. The wind. Right. Water by rain. Water or rain. The tides of the ocean. The waves of the ocean. Biomass and heat from the cluster of the earth. All these things, all these are the some of them are sun, solar energy, wind energy. Okay, right. Tides, ocean tides and water waves are the main constituents of the nature. Right, water and rain, biomass, heat from the cluster. They are the natural processes that are available with which we can able to extract the energy. That's why all these things are either natural powers are natural processes with which we can able to get the energies. They are the constituent parts of the nature or natural processes that are constantly replenished. There are several types of renewable energies that can be produced by these natural sources on human scale. Right. Renewable energies are also often referred as green energies. They are referred as the green energies, okay, or clean energies, and as they have a low environmental impact, they have low environmental impact, they are eco-friendly, they won't give any negative effects on the environment compared to the fossil fuels, but not zero impact. Okay, but of course their impact is very less, negligibly less, but not zero. Right. Renewable energies, energy uses energy sources that are continually replenished by nature. Renewable energy sources, what is one? Use energy which are continuously replenished by nature. They are the natural processes. They are the natural resources. That's why there is no break for the process of replenish of what is one these energies. That's why they are continuously replenished by the nature. The sun, the wind, water, and earth's heat. Okay, and the plants. These are the things that will be replenished continuously the renewable energy sources as far as this planet is concerned. For example, sunlight or wind keeps shining and glowing even if their availability depends upon time and weather. Okay, even if the availability depends upon time and weather, wind, sun shines continuously. What is on wind blows continuously at different. Only the thing is the areas of the planet will changes only. Renewable energy often provides energy in four important areas. Right. Renewable energies often provide the energies. What is this? They will serve the purpose of energies as far as four important regions are concerned. Electricity generation, air and water heating or cooling, transportation, rural energy services, that is off-grid energy services. Right. These renewable energies includes, suppose if you go one by one broadly, wind energy, the energy obtained from the blowing wind. Solar energy, the energy obtained from the sun rays. The main technologies here are solar photovoltaic, okay, using the light from the sun, and solar thermal, using the sun's heat, okay, from the radiation, from the wave, from the solar rays, we can convert it, okay, as an energy by means of photovoltaic effect, or by means of the direct extraction of the heat, that is what is known as the solar thermal energy. Right. Hydraulic or hydroelectric energy, energies obtained from rivers and other freshwater currents. Okay, freshwater currents and rivers. Okay, they will provide the hydroelectric generation also. Right. And also the what this one ocean waves also use the hydroelectric power. Next, biomass and biogas. Energies extracted from the organic materials. These are the energies what is extracted from the organic materials, because these materials will be there along with the human race as far as the existence of this this globe continues. Okay, biomass and biogas will be always there along with the human race. Next, geothermal energy, one of the powerful and potential energy sources, that is nothing but the heat energy. Okay, in the interior of the Earth's cluster. Okay, that is naturally happened. This geothermal energy, very important source, very potential source. Next, tidal energy. Tidal energy of the ocean waves are obtained from the tides, which is a natural process that are taking place continuously without any seasons or weathers or etc. and etc. Wave energy. This energy is also from the wave ocean waves. This is also a continuous form of energy. Bioethanol energy, organic fuels suitable for this is an organic fuel suitable for the vehicles and obtained from fermentation of the vegetables. This is obtained from the fermentation of the vegetables. Next, biodiesel, organic fuel for vehicles. This is also organic fuel for vehicles, among other applications obtained from vegetable oils. They can be obtained from vegetable oils. Okay, this is about broad view of what this one so-called renewable energies. Right. The surprising and superior properties of the renewable energies are everlasting. They never end. Okay, they are continuously available. Second one, clean energy, very clean energy. Okay, it won't give any pollution. Third one, freely abundant. This is a free energy. This is not belongs to an individual, a country, or etc. and etc. Right, best accessible. We can very easily use them or accessible this energy. This is the most reliable because this is available from the what this one the natural sources or natural processes. Cost competitive because of this one we can able to get to the energies with a very less cost, therefore cost competitive. Environmental friendly, they are environmentally friendly. Okay, they want to harm to this one. Promote energy diversification. This is also very important. Energy diversification will take place with a great sense or with an exhaustive sense by means of what is one the renewable energy sources. Next one, they are sustainable energy sources, where a constant, okay, continuous and enriched energy sources, and they are nurtured by energy independence. This is very important. Energy independence will be okay takes place only by means of the renewable energy because they are available equally okay across the planet to all the individuals and to all the countries. Right. Advantages and benefits of the renewable energy sources. Inexhaustible energy, right? Strong winds, sunny skies, abundant planet matter, heat from the earth, and fast moving water can each provide a vast and constantly replenishing source of energy. What is this one? Strong winds, sunny skies, abundant planet matter, that is biomatter, heat from the earth, and fast moving water can each provide a vast and constantly replenishable supply of energy. They will provide what is one constantly supply energy. Very interesting nature. Renewable energies are sources of clean, inexhaustible, increasingly competitive energy. Clean energy, inexhaustible energy, increasingly competitive energy. They differ from fossil fuels or so-called the conventional energy sources principally in their diversity, abundance, and potential for use anywhere on the planet. Okay. The main categories with which they differ from the fossil fuels or the conventional fuels is their diversity, their abundance, and potentiality as far as they are the potential energy sources, superior energy sources that are available. Right. In addition, they produce neither greenhouse gases which cause the climate change nor polluting emissions. Okay, right? They never give the what this one polluting gases and also other pollution emissions. Right, other pollution emissions. That is very interesting. That is very interesting as far as what this one the renewable energy sources are concerned. Okay, right. Next, their costs are also falling and at a sustainable rate. Their cost is gradually falling, whereas the general cost tends for fossil fuels is the opposite direction. General cost for the fossil fuels are increasing in a rapid rate, whereas the cost for the what this one the renewable energy sources are gradually increasing as the technology increases. As the technology increases, so their cost okay, rapidly decreases also. Environmental and economic benefits of using renewable energy includes reduces some types of air pollution. Sometimes environmental economic benefits is also the usage of renewable energy sometimes reduces the type of the pollution also. Diversifying energy supply and reducing dependence on the imported fuels. This is very important. Diversifying energy sources supply is very important, and energy dependence or imports from the fuels, which is a major headache for those countries which are not having conventional energy sources. They are totally depends upon those the countries which are having these sources. That's why now, as far as the renewable energy sources are concerned, now this major threat was totally ruined or totally washed out because of, okay, there is no question of what is one dependence and there is no question of import. Only the thing is they have to establish the proper machinery in order to extract them. creating economic development and jobs in manufacturing, installation, and more. Okay, right. This is very important. Okay, it creates what is one more creating economic development and jobs. It creates economic development as far as it creates jobs. Okay, in the process of its manufacturing, installation, and more other things also. Less global warming, very important. Improved public health, this is very important. As the air pollution, water pollution is very less, this improves. Okay, this improves the public health. Jobs and other economic benefits are also there. Already I discussed this one because the renewable energy technologies, okay, mechanized renewable energy technologies, renewable energy industry is more labor intensive. Renewable energy industries and technologies are more labor intensive, means more labor dependence, more human resource dependence. That's why more jobs can be available, and demand will be there. Stable energy prices, energy price also becomes stable, no fluctuation, because these sources are natural sources. Even the price can decline over the time, right? That is also there. Reliability and resilience is high in case of renewable energy source. This is very important. Reliability and resilience is is a sure thing as far as the renewable energy source is concerned. Reliable power and fuel diversification, nature will enhance energy security. Very important. This is a reliable power, and fuel diversification is there. That's why these two will enable what is one energy security, right? Energy security for the total globe, and lower risk of fuel spills. Okay, lower risk and lower dangerous things will be take place. Reduce the need for imported fuels. Very important. No question of import of fuels as far as the renewable energy sources is concerned, because solar main energy sources, that is the solar energy sources, the wind energy sources are always available at each and every place in order to use them. That's why no question of import of this one. Renewable energy also helps conserve the nation's natural resources. Okay, it also conserves the natural resources of a nation. It also conserves the national resource. Very interesting thing. It also conserves, it also develops, or it also what this one takes the natural resources together, and of course, okay, they will increase the natural resources. That is also one of the promising superiority of the renewable energy sources. Okay, this is about what this one, the so-called the okay, the importance or a main advantage of renewable energy sources. Okay, right. Now I will stop here, and the other part will be discussed in another video class, by taking each and every renewable power source, and each and renewable energy separately in a broad manner. Okay, right. See you in the next class.